Mhm.
Hi, friends. Merry Christmas season to you. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful day. I just wanted to pop on really quick and just share a little something that could help you kick off 2025 with a fresh start. So, real quick, let's talk about how to create a healthier, safer home and then get your products paid for and even just make a bigger impact along the way. Okay, so as you know, our family is going to Guatemala, and we are definitely raising funds for this Guatemala missions trip. We have the dates. Our date is July the 19th through the 26th. We're super excited about it. Now, before I get into this, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time. This isn't my thing. Don't worry. I'm going to break. I'm honestly going to just speak to each of you right now and show you how you can partner up with us, how you can there's so many different ways that you can partner up with us. But one of them is to be able to get our heart is that anybody that supports us, anybody that partners up with us, that we always give something back to you. So know that that's our heart in even sharing this with you. But I'm going to talk to somebody right now who is I don't know if you guys have ever done the color code on this book thing, but if you are someone who's all about results, let me tell you that this straightforward, okay? So this is going to be a 90-day trial. I feel like my camera is like dropping here, but anyway, this is going to be a 90-day trial. You could be covering the cost of all of your personal and all your home care products, okay? So this is going to be a fast-paced, goal-driven opportunity that you can totally crush by partnering up with us and opening up a consultant account. All right. Why that helps us is because it's going to be a fast paced, goal driven opportunity for you. How it's going to help you, you're going to be able to, if you decide, okay, well, I want to do this, you're going to be able to get your Norwex paid for. So all your home care, all your personal products paid for. You could turn this into a long-term income if you want. So these are for my friends who are all about results. So why not set the tone for 2025 by making it the most productive year for you, right? All right. And if you're thinking, I don't have time, I'm too busy, I'm not a salesperson, honestly, then you're in the right place because we're not about sales. That we're not about just like selling and pushing a product on somebody else. We want to be able to create an impact and make an impact. So again, our heart is that if you're partnering up with us, we want to give you something in return as a way to say thank you. And that is through Norwex. That's how we can make impact in your life and getting these products into your home. Okay, now let's talk to all of my social butterflies. This is you. This is your zone. Imagine hosting a simple gathering for with your closest friends and family in a fun Facebook Messenger chat. It's super easy. It's how we're doing it this year. It's how I'm doing it in 2025. It's so easy and casual because I handle all the hard stuff for you. You get to laugh, you get to share, you get to make memories while you're introducing these products that are truly life changing. Okay. So, plus, who doesn't love the idea of like wearing, you know, special earrings that you got for Christmas? Right? And if you got and somebody says to you, "Oh my goodness, where'd you get those earrings?" And you're just like, "Oh, well, I got it from so and so." And like, of course, you're going to share this with them, right? You get to laugh and share, and it's going to be so intimate for you. You're going to love it. And in the process, we're going to get your Norwex paid for as well. Okay. So that's a different way to be able to partner up with us. So hosting, opening up a consultant account, honestly, opening up a consultant account is like the best. Okay. All right. So for my thinkers and planners, if you are a thinker and a planner, I get it. I'm there. You know how this works, right? The process is simple: hosting, opening up a consultant account, getting your Norwex paid for. It's all efficient. It's simple. I'm going to guide you through every step of the way. You're going to have access to resources, my proven system. Okay, so all the facts just to make informed decisions. So this is going to be a 90-day trial of opening up your consultant account. And it is just for 90 days. So you're gonna see how manageable it is and how rewarding it is. then that it's a smart investment for your family as well. All right, so finally, for all of my heart-centered friends, this is you. By partnering up with us in either opening up a consultant account or hosting, you are going to be sharing products, right, that are making a real difference in people's lives. You're helping families live healthier, safer, all while creating some beautiful time with your own family. And I'm going to work together with you to make sure that it feels personal and meaningful. And I'm going to be here every step of the way. And you're doing that all while also making an impact in Guatemala for the orphanage and the children that we're going as a family to see and to work with and to love on. You're going to be the hands and feet that is helping us to get there. So whether you're all about goals, whether you're all about fun or details and making an impact, this opportunity fits you, meaning partnering up with us and either opening a consulting account or or hosting so that you can get your Norwex paid for. That is our way to be able to give back to you by partnering up with us. So it's a fresh start for 2025 that you've been waiting for, and it's so simple to get started. So just let me know in the comments or send me a message or email me back. I'd love to chat and just help to see how this could look like for you. Whether you are, super busy, don't have time, or you're just like, oh, I'm not a salesperson. Okay, then you're in the right place. So thanks again for hanging out with us. Merry Christmas to you guys, friends. We love you. Bye. Puedes decir ciao.
Bye.
Hmm.